Hey, Sam back here, welcome to this video. Now, excited today to show you this new Stickyvid software. This is a video software which fulfills a need that's really important these days. You'll have seen that Facebook has actually gone ahead and implemented this technology on their website. The reason being that they've recognized a lot of people scroll when they start watching a video, and that means that people won't be able to see the entire video. That's the problem that Stickyvid solves. You can see a preview over here, the video's playing. The video, when we scroll, will jump up to the top here, and it will present a bar which has a buy now as well. So as your visitors are scrolling, they'll still be able to maintain and watch this video, make a decision based on what's playing on this video. If they want to stop it, they can control it up here. They can click off, click on, and decide when they want to play this video as well. Let me show you how Stickyvid works. First of all, we're going to go and create a new Stickyvid. Now the first step is actually naming our Stickyvid. So I've already named it here, and it's actually it's automatically saved from the last time that I was doing this. Now we go into Open Media Library, and we'll actually be able to grab a video. Now in my case, I've already uploaded a video, I've already added one here. I'm going to click on this video and it will add it in. Then from there I click next after naming my video if I want to name it, and I can choose which kind of bar style I want. In this case, if I wanted to, I could actually add a timer bar one, so it has a call to action with a timer to add scarcity. That's probably going to be the most high converting one. However, if I didn't want to call to action, I can also use an opt-in form, which is a really cool feature. I can also use a countdown timer, or I could use a share button where people can or are encouraged to share. So these are different options here. We've got countdown, and then we've got call to action countdown, which I'll select in this case. Then from there, we go create Stickyvid. It's now created. From there, we can go ahead and embed our Stickyvid. We can view the analytics and do a lot. So let's just click and view our Stickyvid, how it's going to look. It's going to look like this on a desktop. It's going to look like this on an iPad or tablet. It's going to look like this in a small tablet, and on a mobile phone, it'll just have the video showing up here. So it won't actually have that call to action on a mobile phone. It'll show up here because of size reasons. So there you go. You can see what the preview looks like. We can also then look at the analytics. And it's quite good because it actually offers quite a bit of an insight into what people are doing. It shows how much engagement you're getting, and it also will show you how many what percentage of people have actually gone ahead and watched this video right through, which is really useful as well, knowing how long your video should go. Now when you're ready, once you've previewed this video, you're happy, you're satisfied that everything is looking good, you can actually preview it on the website like this. Really cool feature. It's got the timer here as well. Then what we can do is we can go ahead and publish it. First, check the settings and make sure also that if you want an autoplay, you can set autoplay. You can choose the max width as well of the video if you want it to choose the max width of it. You can also hide video controls if you don't want people able to change those video controls. Then click Publish. Now what we've done is we've successfully published this, and we would copy this embed code, and we could actually then add this into our WordPress blog. We could add this into our website, our HTML page, our sales video, and this is the HTML code that will then have this video here added within our website. So it's really easy software to use. They've laid it out really well. You can also see previews here. You can change and edit the banner as you want to as well through the side menu here. So you can choose the countdown timer. You can choose when it's going to run out. You can change that time if you want to by going through here, clicking what time, what date you want as well. So we could say 10 p. Would probably usually say that at 12 a.m. On the second it's going to shut off. Cool. And then after that, we would choose which time zone, use days, yes or no. In this case, I'd probably put yes. And we can also choose if we want to change the color and customize this as we want. As you can see, it's really professionally done software. It's laid out really well, and it makes a lot of sense. It's really easy to do everything. You can change everything. It's really quite flexible. You can even, if you want to, change the header through this menu here, enlarge it, make it smaller if you wanted to, and customize it with icons as well. So a lot of thought's gone into the software. It's quite clear that this is a really cool software. It's good for scarcity timers, good for sales videos. Because Facebook's using this technology, you can guarantee that it works. Facebook wouldn't be doing it if it wasn't resulting in more views, more people watching videos for longer, and that's what will happen when you add this to your website. So the advantage here in using this software is really going to be that as people scroll, they'll be able to keep watching your sales video, because everyone scrolls when they go to sales pages. I'm not sure, I've put a software on my pages before in the past, and I've actually watched what people have done as they've landed on my pages. And about 95% of the time, people land on the page and then they immediately scroll. They don't look at the video, maybe they look at it for 3 seconds, they scroll. Then they come up and they might watch the video, they might do something else, but usually the first thing that anyone does on their page is they scroll. What this software does is it means that they can scroll at the same time as watching your video, so they don't miss out on anything. And it should result in higher conversions. I haven't tested this conversion-wise. I haven't tested this on my websites before, so I can't comment on that. But I'm assuming that it will because of the big companies that are now doing this. Cool, this is Sam Baker. Thanks for listening. I'll talk to you again soon.